Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We have a good sunny and free draining spot. Lost the plant for this fellow here. This is a hardy African daisy called Osteospermum Tresco Purple. It flowers non-stop from July right through until October. They went into November last year. And the idea is this plant's going to grow roughly about 40 centimeters high and will spread out over this rough bit of stonework. Hide the stonework is nothing special. But non-stop flowers for months and last for years. So it's a hardy African daisies. Many African daisies, of course, aren't hardy. See them in flower at the moment. They'll live for 1 year and that's it. But this one comes back year after year. So it's Tresco Purple. Look out a decent sized planting hole. We're going to put a handful of Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom. Super Thrive is a planting fertilizer used at the base of your plants when you're planting. Mix it in. It's slowly released for the plant and reduces transplant shock. So we've a little bit of well compost in there at the bottom as well. So we're going to spoil the Osteospermum Tresco Purple. It needs a sunny and free draining spot to do well. So it's got that here and we'll be quite happy here for years and years to come. Roots a bit tight. Little teasing out, stop them around in a circle. Settle it in. And we have some well compost and soil for back in around them. And it'll be here for years and years to come, giving us months and months of colour every year. So really reliable. It'll fill out, it'll spread. Some cases they can spread up to 1 metre of spread. Non-stop flowers from July right through until October, or sometimes a little bit earlier. Let's say it'll start earlier next year if we get a reasonable spring. So that's Osteospermum Tresco Purple. Settle in there for years and years to come. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.